Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're quite well and join us on Telegram, write Sheri SK official and subscribe us for latest notifications. So today I have 14 flares templates in PSD file. You can edit in Photoshop very easily. Here is one file, you can change it everything. Next is in 3 different color, red, green and blue. So I drag this file. These files are CMYK color. Simply you can add everything. Here is background, just click on background, change color, or you can apply gradient overlay, your second option. Okay, I tell you just for example. Here is photo option. We need a photo, girls, and here is hairstyles. So we need low size 2000. Drag there, no, and right click, create clipping mask. Our photo is here. You can change color like her dress color, and here is her background color, or I think this color is better. Electronic, you can change everything, but you need font from web. So I close this file, and here is business flare. You can write anything or import your photo. Here is clean business. You need a photo, back, and poster, girls, like business. Drag there. We need any high quality photo like this. Control Shift L for auto leveling and drag there. Okay, press Shift, enter, right click, create clipping mask, and you see our photo in this shape. You can adjust anywhere. Okay, and second photo is here, making every, so you write your details, your dates, year. Okay, I close this file and open last file. You see here same files, players, in 2000. Drag there, enter, right click, create clipping mask. You see our photo in this shape and select. Change color like our dress color, or depend your own choice. Okay, and here is background. I hope this data useful for you, and kindly join my Telegram channel Sheri SK Official. Take care, Allah Hafiz.